Hi everyone, I just wanted to share how I made these super cute gold paper clips with bows on them. So I used this viscous bow punch. I have a tutorial on how I put it together or project share, so I will link it below if you want to see that. I think I used tacky glue, but this time I've been using the hot glue. And if like y'all know of a hot glue gun that is has a thinner tip, let me know, because I would like it for details on items, on making products. Anyway, so what I did was I already have the bow, and then after I add the paper clip to it, I'm going to add this piece I cut out separately and then put it over top of the paper clip like that. So I'm gonna do that here real quick. First I'll start with the center to avoid from having like extra glue. And if you have like extra glue coming out, I kind of wait until it dries a little bit, like here, and then I use some tweezers to pull it. I forgot the paper clip. Jeez Louise. Okay, let me just do another one. So let's do this again because I can't believe I forgot. So I'm just going to add some glue here first, and then I'm going to add the paper clip. I'm going to let it dry a little bit. And then I'm going to add a little more glue to the center. And I'm going to add this piece to it. I think I put too much glue, but and what I'll do is I'll clean off that glue so it'll be like seamless like this one. Like you can't see any glue. So I'll just do that. And that's how I made these paper clips. Of course on video I would mess these up, but like this one is it's seamless, you don't see any hot glue and anywhere, any traces. So I just wanted to share that, and thank you for watching.